I recently learned I grind my teeth, and I first started with a mouth guard that was relatively inexpensive, but it was really bulky in my mouth and I didn't like how thick it was. So I went to 2.0, which means I invested a little more to get something a little nicer. So this is what I have now. I did it for my bottom teeth. I just felt like I had the same situation going on top or bottom and you could choose. So for me, I felt like bottom would just be more comfortable. And I went for the thinnest that they offer and the most flexible that they offer. So this is what you do. Fits right in. I can still talk with it in. It did come with this case. My only downfall with this is that it took a while to arrive to me. So first you get these molds that you do at home. That arrived fast. I did those immediately and then I sent it back and I felt like it took almost 2 weeks between when I sent it back to getting my mouth guard back. So make sure you just give yourself a lot of time to get it back and go for the style that you want, that you know will be most comfortable for you, and I think you'll like it.